It's Thursday with your favorite real estate agents, Carol
and Debbie.
Hey, have we heard that before?
I like that.
Yeah. So today's article just kind of struck a little feather with me about choosing an agent. So the internet and social media have been an empowering tool for consumers, but knowledge can be dangerous sometimes. So this is such a fast-paced market, and just throwing your property out there in the internet does not get it sold. It's got to be in the right light. It's got to be staged well. And in today's market, more than ever, people are relying on agents. They are coming from all over. They're getting to here, to our slice of heaven. They don't know where to go. And they are desperately calling. We have calls coming in every day.
From all over the United States.
From all over. We are so popular in this area. They are coming in groves and they're needing direction. So, getting that right agent in your home to put your house in the right spotlight is absolutely key. And then what tools does that agent have to help prepare you and meet your goals? The other thing is goals. What are your goals? We talk with so many people and they're wanting to take advantage of this big gain in the market. But then are they ready to sell? Can we start talking about it now? Should I do it today, 6 months from now? So we help you with those goals. We can help define whatever your needs are. And then we can bring that buyer in. We can do closings. We can wrap around any and everything that you need.
And also another important thing, Carol, is we are your representation. Well, they may be out of state, and a step further than that, getting them through those contractual hurdles and your negotiating skills come into play with our experience too. I mean, it's a very quirky market. It's a strong seller's market, but we don't want to ever lose that buyer. And we have heard from other realtors about the people with rescinding their offers within 24 hours and you missing out on that opportunity, seeing it through to the end.
Right.
Making that sale.
Just this weekend, I was showing a home in Rosedale. I could obviously tell the agent was overwhelmed with the response. The house was vacant, so it was easy to show. But right away took an offer, didn't push for highest and best, took probably the first offer, and within 24 hours it was on, it was off, it was back on. They rescinded their offer. So talk with us. We are here to help you. We're here to see that buyer to the closing table.
Absolutely.
And meet your goals. And what's going at the clubhouse?
Okay, there's some fun, cute things going on. Well, tomorrow, really nice. Kick your feet back, have a cocktail or a soft drink, a beverage with your friends, and listen to some fun, nice live acoustic music with our Rosedale's own Dale. He lives here in Rosedale too. Yeah, so that's tomorrow night at 6:30 p.m. down at the club. Go have a drink and call it a day with your friends. And then also coming up now, this is going to be a great response. If you haven't made your reservations today, I'm sure this is going to be a sellout. Comedy night and dinner show.
Oh.
That's Saturday, February 26th. Now, it's just $39 for Italian buffet, the dinner show tickets, tax and gratuities all included in that dollar amount. So I think that's very reasonable for what you're getting. So dinner reservations are between 5 and 6 p.m. and that is February 26th. Now, that will be with comedian Mark Merchant. He'll make you laugh with two voices in coming out of one. And I think he is a little puppeteer. I have not heard of him. Have you?
I have not.
But I'm sure he'll make you laugh. Reservations required. So I'm sure this is going to be a big sellout event. Mark your calendars. And that is February 26th. Dinner starting at 5.
There you go. So we do have coming soons. We do have new listings. What is your new listing in?
Oh my gosh. We have a home on 88th Street listed at $825 on the 5th fairway with views of 2 lakes beside the fairway. This home is a 3-bedroom living room, dining room with an office study floor plan. Beautiful. Updated kitchens, updated master bathroom, and this has a brand new roof going on scheduled for April 4th. if not sooner. So this one is a gem.
It is. It's a beautiful lot. It's a beautiful pool. And then
Oh,
we've got
yeah, I forgot to even
three
mention.
more coming soons in the lengths. Two of them, well, all three of them have 3 bathrooms, 3 bedrooms. All three of them are 2-car garage. 2 have pools, 1 does not, and all private backdrops.
I forgot to mention the one on 88th Street is 2492 square feet.
There you go.
Mhm.
So if you're thinking of buying, thinking of selling, think of your favorite agents and give us a call.